Order the frontal vertical base with Tomac XB100 part or without it. The complete frontal vertical base comes ready to use. The so-called stripped version comes without it, and you have to buy the XB100 part yourself. We often run out of the XB100 part in Australia because Tomac ships them to Australia in limited quantities, but even then the stripped version is available. You have to buy the XB100 part yourself. They call it XB100 horizontal base, and then you screw it to the stripped FVB. The stripped FVB arrives like that with the screws. This piece of wood here is to keep the legs in place during transportation. It reads remove, so we do what it says. Remove it. The label here helps to position the FVB this side up. Now we can remove it as well. The Tomac XB100 part comes with one side smooth and another side rough. We mount it with the smooth side up. As you see this way, the Tomac lettering is upside down. I cannot help it. This is the way it comes from the Tomac, and we need the smooth side up. The two shorter screws are the upper screws, and the lower screws are the lower. Screw all the screws loosely. Screw all the 4 screws loosely. Should go to the upper side, upper holes. And the long screws go into the lower holes. As I said, first do it loosely, then align the upper side of the XB100 with the parallel to the top of the aluminium block and tighten the upper screws. Thoroughly align it parallel. Thoroughly align the XB100 part parallel with the upper side of the aluminum block. It is important. Then tighten the upper screws. Double and triple check that you've done it right. Finally tighten the lower screws. your frontal vertical base is now ready to use. And just one note about this red mark on the leg. The red color may go off with time, but we grind a permanent nick in the leg here, in this line, so that you never lose it.